Happy day 21. Happy day 21. I just got out of my wax appointment. Yeah, you know, so much fun. Actually, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, so not too shabby. I also brought her a bottle of champagne for Christmas. And what else? What else have I gotten done this morning? I actually posted it on yesterday's vlog, the Oreo truffles. So I had to finish that up this morning. Played a little with my baby Holly, because we always have to have a play session in the morning. I think I need some coffee. How did I not know that Mariah Carey's getting it on McDonald's now? Dang, girl. I had to get a well, I didn't have to get, but I got a hash brown because I was feeling a little nauseated because I had my vitamins this morning and didn't eat anything. And usually I can be fine as long as I drink enough water, but I don't think I did. Anyways, I also got a Diet Coke because, like I said earlier, Mama needs some caffeine. So I'm gonna grab on this. Okay, Holly's gonna open her BarkBox. Are you so happy, honey? It's Rudolph themed. Oh my goodness. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer's in there, honey. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, so cute. This is from Grandma. Look, there's a little Rudolph. You like him? You like him, honey? Oh my gosh, Rudolph, honey. And then we got the abominable snowmans. He looks cute too. Okay, I gotta take the tags off them first, okay?
Look, Lucy's looking too.
Oh, Lucy can play with these too. And then we got Santa. Just like, oh, see? His hat fell off.
Where's his hat?
Oh, she's already taken Santa. She always loves Santas.
She's gone.
She ran away. Okay, I'll show you guys what else is in here, because both pups are gonna enjoy these. Chicken stick recipe made with real chicken. That's what Lucy's after, right, Lucy? She's like, hell yeah, that smells good. And then we've got some Yukon Yummies salmon recipe, chewy jerky. These are so cute. Thanks, Mama, for getting these for them. It's so cute. Jingle Jangle jerky. You got him, baby? You got him? You're so happy? Okay, we can go play. Let Mommy take the tags off first, okay? Oh, your loves them, baby? Lucy, you want to get one, baby? She doesn't like to play with toys, only Holly. Well, she used to, but now she just wants the treats. Right? It's okay, babies. You can play whenever you want. There's no more treats. Good girl. You ready to play? So apparently Santa comes out of his little suit. And look at, Holly is obsessed with it right now, but he's got his little suspenders and undies on. Okay, sorry. 2 more Christmas cards in the mail. One from my friends Higley and Nick. We've been friends since college, and then they got married and had 2 beautiful kids. Aren't they so cute? So that is their card. And then I also got another Christmas card from our good friend Arlita. So thank you both so much. Hanging these on the fridge. So this is Holly. Always getting in between mama trying to rap, honey. Yeah, who just wants attention all the time, my babies. Yeah, I love you though. Yeah, mommy doesn't care, right? She loves you too much. She's finally just curled up next to me sleeping. And I'm trying to finish up the last remaining boxes over here. Just a couple more left. And I'm starting The Holiday, which I can't believe I have not watched this movie yet. It's definitely in my top 5 Christmas movies.
Hi guys, it's Cooking in the Hive, but guess where? At Melissa's house.
I know, how lucky am I?
Now,
Cooking in the
listen,
Hive. Look at
everybody is so busy right now. And who's tired of eating pizza? Okay, so it's Christmas and I want to show you that you can make a really yummy meal and it's so quick. It's called beef stroganoff, but instead of using like a stew meat, we're just gonna brown turkey meat.
Yeah.
So first thing I did is put some onions in a pan and we're gonna cook up these nice beautiful mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
And I like to put garlic salt because if you put you can put garlic if you want, you know,
Like regular cloves of garlic?
If your people want to eat cloves of garlic. I'm not particularly wanting to kiss John after that. So I'll put some garlic salt.
And she put some extra
and then
virgin olive oil.
garlic and herb seasoning by McCormick. It's
Still-
also the same as Mrs. Dash.
Still putting garlic though, lady. It's still gonna give you garlic breath.
Oh, I know. Don't just humor me, Melissa.
Okay.
And so then once these are done, I'll show you what to do next.
And I'm still wrapping presents. And now we're watching The Holiday together. But so funny.
So funny.
Love it.
Okay, guys, so I cooked the mushrooms down. And now I just put some onions in a pan, and I have the Jenny O turkey.
Lean, not extra
Let's
lean,
show
just
them
the
the
regular.
package. It's a big difference.
This one, 93% lean.
And we're gonna cook this. We're gonna cook this down, and then once it's cooked, we're gonna throw the mushrooms back in. Okay.
I'm telling you right now, I wish there was smell-o-vision because it's already smelling amazing. Right, Holly?
Everyone, so the meat's cooked, and I put it in onions and olive oil and the seasonings, and then I just put the mushrooms back in. Now,
Also getting some water boiling with some salt.
Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use Heinz home-style gravy. I'm doing the savory beef. They have one that's beef and mushroom, so if you want to use that instead, you can. And basically, I'm going to put how much I think that's going to cover. It's so nice, so easy. You guys are going to be like, thank you, Jesus. I'm going to stir this around. And what this tastes like is like beef stroganoff, but not all day. Like waiting and waiting for the meat to cook, which, oh, this is definitely going to need more because I need it to cover all the meat and mushrooms. So Melissa, if you want to get me another bottle there. Everyone, so the meat mixture is all done. Just nice and warm.
Just simmering now.
Simmering. And now we're going to do these American Beauty egg noodles. Now you can do big egg noodles, small egg noodles, whatever egg noodles you want. Leave it right here.
Look what Mama B got everybody. Cookie baking crew shirts. How stinking cute is that?
Oh, we have to tell them now
So cute. What?
about what we're doing.
Oh, we're making gingerbread cookies today. You're right. I don't even think I said, in all my madness of rushing around today, I didn't tell you guys. The reason Mama B's here cooking and the reason why everyone's coming over today is we're decorating the gingerbread men that she made already, like we do every year annually. So now we have annual cookie baking crew shirts. So cute. Okay. Chris said that I get to open a present early because he's anxious for me to open it. I was trying to guess. It smells really good. I have no idea what it is though. The candles. This is so cute. So it has genuine diamonds in every candle. It's a candle that has jewelry inside. And this one says, let's get baked. And has a gingerbread man. It smells delicious. Wow. So you burn it and then you pull out the jewelry?
It's not jewelry, it's just a diamond.
A diamond? Oh, okay. That's cool. I got 3 of them? What did I get
That's the one I think it is. It's funny.
It smells good though. I guess Santa's sweaty sack smells very good. That's hilarious. It smells very piney fresh. Okay, one more. Oh, this is the one I was smelling when I first opened the box. It smells really good. Oh my gosh. And it's the Grinch. The Grinch smells dang good. Thanks, baby. I get diamonds and candles. What a combo. And they're cute too. Thanks, baby. I love them. All right, day 21. It's a dark chocolate, which neither of us are gonna eat right now because I just brushed my teeth and I'm about to go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow.